but if they're interested, I can send you over the inspection report also.
Wonderful. So they have an inspection report that they can send you from when it first went under contract. And you could turn this back into an office if you wanted to, or keep it as a bedroom. Very clean, smells wonderful. Hardwood floors throughout.
Welcome. Do you have any feedback on this?
Just gonna tootle around. Yard's completely fenced in, and again, this one is on a corner lot, so you have a street on both sides, but again, fairly quiet. You have access to the screened-in porch from the master. Beautiful bathroom. This one you wouldn't have to do a thing. Huge closet. They're ready to go. They're all packed up. He said that's kind of why they priced it to sell, because from the first contract they were ready to move on. Is the trampoline staying?
It was not conveying, but you can ask for it and see.
They have grown children, so I don't think they would want it, but.
The TV in the great room is not conveying.
Okay.
The washer dryer are.
Okay. Nice garage space. Washer and dryer are staying. Cute room. Good size bedroom. Great bathroom in here. Little bearded dragon. Hello, big guy. Linen closet here. It's a beautiful house.